Hey guys. I'm Hannah. I'm from a suburb outside of San Francisco, California, United States. What is there to know about me? I really like my chicken coop. You'll hear me talk about it a lot. I have ab problems, so you'll never see me running. Yeah, this is my friend Sienna.
Hey guys!
Sienna, what's my spirit animal?
Lemons, strawberries, watermelon maybe? You know? Yeah. The usual.
Yeah, so, some other things I really like, contrary to everyone else at the school, I don't like talking about politics. But it seems to come up quite often, and that might just be because I'm from America.
Laughing effect.
But really, both my parents are from Norway, and my mom's whole family lives there. Yeah, in a little town called Fredrikstad. So, shout out to my cousin Teddy. Yeah. What else? I like animals. I have 2 dogs. I used to have 3 dogs, but one died. I used to go to a public school. Pretty average. I like science, biology, chemistry, that sort of thing. I like being outdoors, skiing, surfing. Yeah, I'm from California. What kind of music do I like? I like country and EDM.
What's EDM, Hannah?
Electronic dance music. Yeah, I like going to music festivals. This one time I went to Coachella. Crazy, right? Yeah.
What happened?
Okay. It was so nice to meet you guys. You'll get a great introduction when you meet me sometime.
Bye.